It's Clothing Care 101 at the Ekologic Studio. I want to introduce you to our sweater rake. The sweater rake is a tool that we love. We often use the sweater rake to restore the fibers, the fabrics that we have here in the studio to make the material just absolutely look fresh and beautiful again. And you can do that at home too. This tool is definitely one to be aware of your skills with. If you are not skilled in understanding materials and fiber, maybe go with our brush. The rake is one of our, I call this, it's our most serious tool. It really gets the job done. It has, it's all brass, and it has these little cuts in that brass right there, you can see. And it really gets rid of all the pills, the animal hair, whatever it is you're encountering out in the world. It will help clean your sweaters. It's done at this really interesting angle. So when you're actually putting it on the fabric, make sure that if it's giving you too much resistance, this is the way that we like to do it, try the other side. So this is our favorite method. A little bit of height there, and we're going to have Victoria actually show you right at the work table so you can see how she holds her hand to make the fabric steady as she rakes the pills away. One of the beautiful things about having these clothing care tools at home is that you can really keep your items for a lot longer. A lot of people seem to think that when their cashmere has pills that it's become damaged. That's actually not the case. Pilling happens when fibers break off the yarn and they start to collect on the surface and they make these little fuzz balls, and that is what pilling is. It usually happens under the arms, right here, or anywhere if your coat or coat pockets are braiding on your garment. So have no fear, your item is not ruined. You just need a few good tools, and that's what we're here to help you with.